Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a light painting in GIMP. What we're going for is this. It's a light painting of the album of the Beatles called Abbey Road. First of all, you need those two files. I'll put them in the description. Then you copy the first file of the Abbey Road. Oops. And you just copy paste it to the other one. Then you need to resize this one. I'll just call it Abbey Road, and you need to resize it to a better format. This is a bit too small. This is good. Then you're gonna take your thingy here and you're just gonna go around the border of the first guy. You're gonna have to do this with every one of them. If you want more detail into your light painting, you're gonna have to put the little dots closer together. I'm gonna fast forward the others so it doesn't get too boring at all. I'm gonna leave this one for now. Just go around. And then when you're at the end and you have to connect the last one to the first one, you just hold Control. So I hold Control here and click, and now they're connected. Now that we have done that, we can make this a selection, then we can put up a border. Now that we have a border, we can make this into a new layer. Just name the layer like Guy 1. Then we hide Abbey Road and fill it with white. You can turn Abbey Road back on, and now we are going to make the second path of the second guy. Just name it Guy 2, and now you have to start over again with the new path tool, and we're going to skip this. So see you in a bit. Now that you are done with this, hold Control again and make this again in a new selection, and do this 4 times over and over again. I'm going to fast forward again. Just do it as the first guy. Just use selection and then a border, new path, named Guy 2, and then hide Abbey Road and fill it with white, and then start over with the third guy and the fourth guy. Let's skip that. So now that you've done this, you go and put the layers together. You just do all together so that you can put the lighting to soft. Now you duplicate the layer 4 times so the light gets brighter again. 4 times. Now you use the square selection tool to make the zebra crossing. This is done by just making it like this, and again making it with a new layer again, exactly the same as the guys, whatever you want to name it. Then use it to make a border again and fill it with white. Now you duplicate these layers. Duplicate it so you can move it and make another one, and put these next to each other until you reach the end. Let's fast forward this. Now that you have done this, you have to duplicate, not duplicate, add the layers to each other, like before. Put them together. This is way more easier to see what layers you have. And now change the lighting to soft light again, and duplicate the layers so you get a brighter zebra crossing. Now select the zebra crossing and use the perspective tool to change the zebra crossing's perspective. This is not quite simple because it's not really that easy to control, but if you get the hang of it, you'll get it. I do not get the hang of it at all, so, but it turned out pretty okay. Okay, this is good, and now you have to name this a new layer. Doesn't matter what you name it again, and use the soft lighting again in the modus. Duplicate the layers again so it gets brighter. Now this is finished. You have your lighting painting, and that was the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. I'll gladly help. Thank you for watching.